Okay, so now we have a little fun with our wording. Well, what are we going to do about the background? What are we going to do about the background? Well, if you remember, we go under Format, Slide Background. It'll give you this little palette here, Background. All right, this is showing you a example of what your slide is going to look like. So if we click on this little guy right here, go to Fill Effects, More Colors is just going to give you the spectrum. This, on the other hand, I have my students always go to Preset because it's really easy and we don't have a lot of time in class. To go to Preset, and they've got these beautiful colors, and you know, most of them, they really just go straight to fire because it's like really loud and very bright, and it looks cool too, but that doesn't really go with surfing, so I'm going to go ocean. Now, you don't have to stick to this. You can make your own two colors. You can also go change the actual style of it. So that's pretty cool. Now, just to let you know, there's textures in here. You can actually create these textures, which actually, probably water will be pretty cool. You got these patterns from like 1912. And also, if you had a picture, you can select a picture and make your picture your background. And we'll probably do that for slide 2. But maybe for right now, I'm going to just use a texture. You can use a gradient however you want. I'll show you what that looks like, by the way. If I selected this and I press OK, I can preview it, and it changed it. And that looks a lot nicer than just a blank canvas. Well, if I click back there, I can always change it. It's not permanent. Maybe I'm going to go to Texture, and I'll go down to that water. That looks pretty cool. Let's see what that looks like. Yeah, I mean, to me, it looks a little bit cooler. And I can make this bigger, you know, I can do whatever I want. Okay, now, let's animate. Let's do that. Let's go up here, Slideshow, Custom Animation. Alright, now we got this tab open. Now let me explain this. Over on the left-hand side shows you all the media that's inside your slide that we've created. Down here is a little thumbnail view of your slide. And over here is your animations. Now you can't animate unless you click on something. So now I clicked on it, shows you what you got highlighted, and now it gives you the Add Effect button. I'm going to click. I'm going to find a cool, here we go, zoom, and press OK. And if I wanted to, I can change the effect options, and I can make it have a sound. Like a whoosh or something, or clapping, or roll and crash. Very random options here. And you can put sounds. Yeah, sound here. Okay, and now I'll go to my title. And do a little stretch. Oh, yes, it likes to let you know that you've created that. I'm going to hit Effect Options, and now maybe I'll get clapping, just for fun, just to applaud myself. Alright, press OK. Now if I want to see what I've done so far, I can go Slideshow, View Show, and it'll show like this. And then you can hit the space bar or the arrows to advance. So that was pretty neat, instead of just sitting there. And yes, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Okay, let's insert a new slide. So go up to the top where it says Insert, New Slide. Now, we have this by default. We're going to change the layout. Go up to the top where it says Format, Slide Layout. Let's choose something that will give us an option to have some pictures, title, and words. So what I chose is Text and Clip Art. Text and Clip Art. Okay, now I'm going to come up here. I'm going to reaffirm that we're doing surfing. And I want to bring a picture in, but I definitely do not want to use a clip art, because I don't think they have something that kind of represents the thrill of surfing. So why don't you go onto your internet browser, go to Google Images, Yahoo, wherever you want to go, and type in your subject. Yeah, that looks cool. Oh wait, I saw another one. That looks even cooler. Let's check this one out. Alright, so now Google is going to give me a full image, hopefully. And once I load it, I'm going to drag this over like this. And I'm going to take my image, and I'm going to drag it into PowerPoint right inside that square. I'm going to wait a second until it actually accepts it. And now I have it. And now I don't need Safari anymore. And I'll go, okay, this is looking pretty cool. And I'm gonna just, write some facts, just in case you didn't know that. Now I press return and it automatically gives me a new bullet. That's pretty cool. So make some facts. I'm gonna make 3. Well, I do. All right, and so let's see if we can remember how to change the background right now. Let's do that. Oh, I have an idea. Why don't we make a picture of the background just to show you? Let's go back to our internet browser. Let's find a cool image like this one. Oh, this one. Whoops. I saw an image there that I shouldn't have seen. Alright, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually save this. So you can just hit right click if you're a PC or control click if you're on the Mac. Save image as. And maybe I'll just put it on the desktop for right now. Oh, here we go. Save. It's called Very Big Wave. Hide. Alright, let's change our background and use that picture. So format, slide background. And remember, as I'm going, if I'm going too fast or too slow for some of you guys, that's fine. Just hit fast forward or rewind or play and pause. Alright, so let me just show you what I did again. Format, slide background. I'm going to click on here and go to fill effects. I'm going to fill it up with an effect. Now I'm going to go to picture. Select the picture. We saved it on our desktop. It's actually right here. I'm going to go desktop. Desktop. Very big wave. Insert. Now it's going to show you, and I'm going to press OK. I can preview to see if I like it. Yeah, it's pretty dark. I'm probably have to change the text and all that, and up here. But that's a basic run through PowerPoint. Another one is I'm going to show you how to use the drawing toolbar, and I'll show you other things that you can do with the formatting slide palette. Okay? I hope that helped, and be looking out for our second PowerPoint tutorial, which will be on the drawing toolbar and more on the formatting palette. Have a good day.